Looking for the best rollator walkers for seniors that combine safety, comfort, and style? Discover top-rated walkers designed to give independence, stability, and confidence to every step. From lightweight models to ones with advanced features, we've reviewed the ultimate options to make life easier and safer. Don't miss out on the game changers that seniors are loving right now. Get ready to transform mobility like never before. So, let's go. Number 6. Vive Mobility Rollator Walker offers unmatched support and stability. Its durable aluminum frame supports up to 300 pounds effortlessly. Large 8-inch sport wheels glide smoothly over any surface. Adjustable handles provide a perfect customized fit for every user. The foldable design allows easy storage and transport anywhere. Front wheels are removable, and back wheels fold for compactness. Dual braking system ensures safe, controlled stopping every time. Ergonomic handles reduce hand fatigue during long walks. The detachable bag safely holds essentials like wallet, medications, or phone. Integrated cane holder adds extra convenience for daily use. Lightweight yet sturdy. It weighs only 19 pounds. HSA/FSA approved and backed by a 1-year Vive guarantee. Perfect choice for the best rollator walkers for seniors. Number 5. Nova Medical Products Zoom Rollator Walker is perfect for seniors. It comes in 4 adjustable seat heights for ideal comfort. The 8-inch rugged wheels provide smooth rides on any terrain. Feather touch hand brakes ensure safe and effortless control every time. The padded 2-inch seat offers extra comfort and durability. A spacious pouch keeps personal items secure and accessible. Its lock and load folding system makes storage and transport easy. Lightweight yet sturdy. It supports up to 300 pounds reliably. Adjustable handles provide the perfect ergonomic fit for all users. Finished with attractive metallic paint, it looks stylish and long-lasting. Backed by lifetime frame warranty and 5-year brake warranty, it's a trusted walker. Truly one of the best rollator walkers for seniors. Number 4. Drive Medical 10257BL 4-wheel rollator walker combines stability and style. Its durable steel frame supports users up to 300 pounds easily. The comfortable seat and underseat storage pouch add convenience for seniors. 4 7.5-inch caster wheels provide smooth outdoor movement. Hand brakes ensure safety with easy locking and releasing. Adjustable handles from 31 to 35 inches suit different heights. The removable hinge backrest offers extra comfort when needed. Side-to-side folding design makes it portable and easy to store. Lightweight at just 18.6 pounds. It's perfect for everyday use. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty, this walker guarantees long-term reliability. Ideal choice for those seeking the best rollator walkers for seniors with comfort, safety, and portability. Number 3. Hugo Mobility Explore Side-Fold Rollator Walker is perfect for seniors. Its ergonomic design includes a padded seat and contoured backrest. Lightweight at just 15.4 pounds. It's 20% lighter than competitors. The side-fold design allows easy storage in car trunks or closets. Handles are height-adjustable with a simple, tool-free thumb screw. It supports up to 300 pounds with sturdy aluminum construction. A spacious mesh basket keeps personal items safe and accessible. Ideal for comfortable walking and resting during outings. This rollator combines mobility, convenience, and durability seamlessly. Perfect choice for anyone seeking the best rollator walkers for seniors. Easy to fold, carry, and store anywhere effortlessly. Enjoy independence and comfort every step of the way. Number 2. Medline Premium Empower Folding Mobility Rollator Walker is perfect for seniors. Its durable aluminum frame supports up to 300 pounds safely. The ergonomic brake handles are easy to grip and use. Adjustable memory foam seat and cushioned backrest provide maximum comfort. Flip the backrest forward or backward effortlessly. Includes a convenient cup holder and tray organizer for essentials. Large 8-inch wheels roll smoothly on any terrain. Folds flat for easy transport and storage. Saving space. Lightweight design makes it simple to carry and maneuver. Adjustable handles fit users from 31.5-inch to 39.5 height. Ideal choice for best rollator walkers for seniors. Combining safety, comfort, and convenience. Perfect for indoor and outdoor mobility. Offering reliable support everywhere. Number 1. Drive Medical Nitro Sprint Foldable Rollator Walker offers unmatched support. Its sleek aluminum frame holds up to 350 pounds safely. The lightweight design folds easily with one hand for convenience. Large 10-inch wheels handle bumps and uneven terrain smoothly. Extra-large padded seat and adjustable backrest ensure comfortable seating. Unique braking system includes free, slow down, and park modes. Spacious storage bag mounts in 3 convenient positions. Additional accessory mount holds cane, phone, or cup. Perfect choice for seniors seeking stability, comfort, and mobility. Durable, stylish, and easy to maneuver. It enhances independence daily. This rollator truly stands out among best rollator walkers for seniors. Red color adds a vibrant, modern touch. Lightweight yet strong for everyday use. In conclusion, choosing the best rollator walkers for seniors can greatly improve mobility, safety, and independence. With the right walker, everyday activities become easier and more comfortable, giving seniors confidence and freedom. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.